Lose belly fat at home in just 3 days with eggs. Nowadays, many people have problems with losing weight. The problem of obesity is very common in our world. According to statistics, the number of overweight people is higher than the number of underweight people. Here's a surprising fact. Children whose parents are overweight have an 80% chance of being overweight themselves. Obesity is linked to at least 15 health conditions, including joint pain, cancer, and stroke. Approximately 4.5 million people in the United States weigh more than 300 pounds, and 1 in 3 American teenagers and children is either obese or overweight. 50 years ago, the United States spent $3 billion on fast food. Today, that figure has risen to $120 billion. These statistics are truly shocking, but not in a good way. You're bored with your damn belly, so it's time to take action, and this video is your sign. But first, let's discuss what you should avoid if you want to lose weight safely. Starvation or very low-calorie diets can be counterproductive to weight loss. You may initially see weight loss on the scale, but this does not necessarily mean fat loss. Instead, your body may be losing valuable muscle mass. Even more concerning is the potential impact on your metabolism, which can slow down as your body tries to conserve energy. Over time, this approach can even increase your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. This is why it is important to focus on a balanced and sustainable approach to weight management, rather than extreme calorie restriction. Miracle supplements. Prescription drugs are regulated to ensure safety and effectiveness for treating specific conditions. Dietary supplements, however, do not have this guarantee. Manufacturers are not required to prove that their products are natural or beneficial to health. Dietary supplements, including vitamins and herbs, are not rigorously tested for safety or effectiveness. Therefore, the claims about their benefits are often unverified. Always consult your healthcare provider before trying any supplements. They can help ensure the supplements are safe and appropriate for your health needs. Detoxification programs. Approach detoxification programs with caution. These programs primarily cause weight loss by removing water and other fluids from the body, which can lead to dehydration. Dehydration can be dangerous and should not be taken lightly, as it can lead to serious health problems such as electrolyte imbalances and kidney problems. Therefore, it is important to carefully consider the potential risks and consult a healthcare professional before beginning any detoxification program. In summary, be sure to consume at least 1,200 calories per day. Without this minimum, you risk nutrient deficiencies that are essential for daily activities. Just as a car needs fuel to run, your body needs calories to function. In addition, constant hunger can be overwhelming. Rapid weight loss often results in more fat than muscle, which is counterproductive. Foods to avoid to lose belly. Fat, carbohydrate, dense products. Not all carbohydrates are the same, and it's important to understand the difference when making dietary choices. Carbohydrate-dense foods contain a high percentage of carbohydrates relative to their weight. However, some foods commonly perceived as bad carbohydrates might not be as detrimental as they seem. For instance, take a medium potato, which often gets a bad reputation. A medium potato weighs about 6.5 ounces, but it is mostly water, with carbohydrates making up only 23% of its total weight. This means that potatoes are not as carbohydrate dense as many believe, allowing you to enjoy them without much worry. Incorporating such foods into your diet can be part of a balanced approach to eating, as long as you pay attention to overall portion sizes and cooking methods. Instead of completely avoiding carbohydrate-rich foods, focus on moderating your intake and choosing healthier preparation methods like baking or boiling instead of frying. This way, you can maintain a nutritious diet without unnecessarily restricting yourself. Unhealthy fats. Certain types of fat are notorious for contributing to belly fat. These include saturated fats, trans fats, and omega-6 fats. Saturated fats are often found in full-fat dairy products and high-fat meats, while trans fats are often found in processed foods and packaged snacks. Omega-6 fats, while necessary in small amounts, can be harmful when consumed in excess, especially from sources such as packaged soybean oil. To reduce your waistline and improve your overall health, It is important to avoid these unhealthy fats. This means avoiding full-fat dairy products, processed meats, high-fat meats, and foods containing soybean oil. Instead, choose healthier sources of fat such as olive oil, avocados, nuts, and fatty fish, which provide essential nutrients without contributing to belly fat. Sugars and sweeteners. Both artificial and natural sweeteners can cause problems. Your body reacts to artificial sweeteners in a similar way to real sugar, triggering the release of insulin and causing glucose to be stored as fat. This reaction can undermine weight management efforts and contribute to the development of belly fat. Given these effects, it is advisable to avoid carbonated beverages, including diet sodas, which often contain artificial sweeteners. These drinks might seem like a healthier option, but they can still lead to unwanted weight gain and metabolic issues. Instead, consider healthier alternatives such as water, herbal teas, or beverages naturally sweetened with small amounts of fruit juice. This approach can help you manage your sugar intake and support overall health. Surprising food for weight loss. Now, let's reveal the secret ingredient that will play a major role in your weight loss journey: eggs. Because eggs are such a common and ordinary food, you may be skeptical, but stick with us until the end of the video. I'm sure you'll be surprised. If you found this information useful, please send us a like. Why are eggs an incredible food? Let's start by discovering why eggs are such a remarkable food. Eggs are incredibly nutritious and arguably one of the most nutritious foods in the universe. A single boiled egg contains an impressive array of vitamins and minerals, including vitamins B2, B5, B6, B12, A, and D, as well as calcium, selenium, phosphorus, folate, and zinc. Eggs also contain several nutrients that are important for your health. They are beneficial for eye health and may reduce the risk of stroke. Eggs can also raise good cholesterol levels. Remarkably, an egg contains only 77 calories, yet provides 6 grams of protein and 5 grams of healthy fat. If you are now convinced of the health benefits of eggs, great. Now let's see how you can use them to reduce belly fat in just 3 days. Day 1, meal plan: breakfast, 1 cup of green tea, unsweetened, 2 tomatoes, 2 boiled eggs. Lunch, 2 egg whites, 4 ounces of boiled or baked fish, 1 cup of green tea, unsweetened. 1 apple. Dinner, assorted steamed vegetables of your choice. For example, broccoli, carrots, peas, green beans, cauliflower. 1 cup of green tea, unsweetened. This meal plan focuses on lean proteins, vegetables, and a moderate amount of fruit with the added benefits of green tea. It's a balanced approach to support weight loss and overall health. Day 2, meal plan: breakfast, 1 cup of unsweetened green tea, 2 boiled eggs, 1 banana. Lunch, 2 egg whites, 4.2 ounces of boiled chicken, skinless, 1 cup of green tea, unsweetened. Dinner, 1 piece of rusk, 4 ounces of cottage cheese, 1 cup of low-fat milk. Day 3 meal plan: breakfast, glass of tomato juice, 2 boiled eggs. Lunch, 1 cup of green tea, unsweetened, 2 egg whites, 4.2 ounces of cooked red meat. Dinner, baked potatoes, 1 cup of green tea, unsweetened. Health benefits of green tea: improves overall health through bioactive compounds, rich in antioxidants with medicinal properties, improves brain function, increases metabolism, and helps burn fat. Associated in studies with reduced belly fat. May reduce the risk of cancer, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's disease. Reduces the risk of dental problems, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes. Continue with the discipline for 3 days. Share your results in the comments below the video, but know this: there is no cheating when following this diet. Share this video for people who are bothered by their belly fat, and please like the video, subscribe to our channel to be informed about our videos. Keep waiting for videos from us. See you again.